everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with John. Hello, John.
Hello, Joyce.
And John and I are on the Celebrity Equinox cruise ship this week, 6 nights in the Caribbean. And today we are in Cozumel, Mexico, and we are going on an excursion. We're going on a catamaran for the day. It is equipped with 4 crew members, 1 chef, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and we are going to be spoiled. We're going to take you along. Here we go. Okay, here we are. That is our catamaran for the day. It is going to be so awesome. We're so excited. The cost for this was $200 per person, and it includes absolutely everything. The guy over there on the right with the backpack on talking to the lady in the black, that's Andy. And Andy is the one who arranged this excursion for all of us. It's a private excursion, so it's not something that we booked through the cruise line. The cost for this trip is $200 per person for the day. It included absolutely everything except for the cab fare to and from the cruise ship, which was $4 per person. We shared a van ride. Here we are on the catamaran. Everybody say hi. Hi. We are going to have an awesome day today. We all had to take off our shoes to come on. This is the main cabin. Better. Hey, honey. Okay, and then there's a staircase down over there and a staircase here. So I'm gonna go do a little tour. Okay, let's go take a little tour. Okay, to my left we have a bedroom. And there's a little window. And we got a bathroom. It is tiny. I've got some cabinets for storage. And we have another bathroom here. And another bedroom. And I would imagine it's the same on the other side, but let's go take a look. And this is the other side. And there's 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms down here as well. Bedroom. And here's the bathroom. And down the hallway, we have another bedroom. And another bathroom. We are on our way, and there's our home away from home. It's on the other side of that carnival ship anyway. We're not on carnival, we're on Equinox. Let's take a look. So we're going to be at sea for about an hour and a half. Hi, you the captain?
Yes.
What's your name?
It was very windy and difficult to hear, so I'm going to do a voiceover. This is Waldo. He was the captain, better known as Captain Black, and I was asking him about where we were going and what we were going to do. And he was explaining to me that first we were going to stop at an area where we would drop anchor and snorkel with the assistance and guide of the crew. And then we were going to do the same, drop anchor at a sandbar where we could get off and go swimming while they prepared lunch for us. At first, I was really nervous about walking along this narrow walkway to go to the front of the boat, but then once I realized that railing was there and I could hold on, and it was way easier than I expected it to be. And I'm glad I did. Jon and I spent about an hour sitting out front. We had on very good sunscreen coverage. I said to Jon, it looks like we're not wearing any clothes in this clip. Rest assured, we are wearing our bathing suits. And it was such a beautiful day.
If you're enjoying this video, please hit the thumbs up. It lets us know what you like, and it helps out the channel significantly, and we appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. It's a free and easy way for you to support us. If you watch our channel and enjoy our videos, just hit subscribe below this video and turn on the notification bell. That will let you know of any new videos that we post.
And now we are at the sandbar where we dropped anchor and we stayed for about an hour. The crew was preparing our lunch while we were here. Everybody got off and went swimming. It was about 6 feet deep at its deepest point, and if you walked further onto the lighter parts where the water is really light, that's where the sandbar was the highest, and it was maybe 3 feet deep at that point. The water was like bath water. It was just perfect. And as you can see, the water was crystal clear. You could see all the way to your feet. Then we got back on the catamaran and they brought out the food for lunchtime.
Here's the first sampling of the food. There's pineapple and papaya and melon and cantaloupe and one piece of kiwi. Okay, we are about to have lunch.
And they're making tacos.
This is all homemade, fresh, made just for us, cooked in the kitchen on the catamaran. And we are getting tacos as well. Look at that. I'll show you their setup in here. They're hard at work making food to feed us all.
Yes.
Say hi, guys.
Dame chance, ahorita la vamos a mostrar. Ahí veo que tiene parte. Can you turn the volume up?
Look at Missy over there with her plate.
And as if everything else wasn't enough, then they brought out steak tacos. Boy, was that delicious. Everything they made homemade and fresh for us, and it was really fantastic. And the crew was phenomenal. They were there to serve us drinks and food all day long. They had everything that we could possibly want for an amazing day. They had snorkel equipment. They helped us on and off the catamaran when we stopped to snorkel, and then again when we stopped at the sandbar.
Dessert time.
Where's theirs?
What's it called?
Banana bread.
Banana and Company in Cozumel.
Banana and Company in Cozumel. Banana bread.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Hey, everybody.
And here we are at the end of our day. The crew is preparing the catamaran for us to go ashore and pull into the marina. They are some of our shipmates for the day, or catamaran mates for the day, I guess I should say. And I said it before and I'll say it again. It was just the most perfect day weather-wise. There's our Equinox waiting for us to come back, and the crew pulling the sails down, getting ready for us to go dock in the marina. Jon and I highly recommend going on a day trip on a catamaran, whether it's your own private like we did or through an excursion. I can't imagine it would be much different if you went on an excursion with Celebrity or another cruise line. It was really a great experience, one that we didn't think that we would want to do, but we decided we should be more adventurous, and we're so glad we did. We had a wonderful time, and it was a really great day. Well worth the money we spent.
Okay guys, that does it for us for this wonderful excursion on a catamaran in Cozumel, Mexico. We had an amazing day. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support, and as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.